Hi, this is Grady with Twin Creek Audio. I'm here with Gary and Gavin today, and we're going to try and figure out how to put this capstan belt on this Ampex PR10 tape machine here. Take a look at the manual, see if we can figure anything out about it.
I'm gonna shut down the
Okay, here's the spot in the manual while Gavin's getting the belt. And you can kind of see there how the belt's supposed to go around the flywheel and then connect over to the motor through the little speed change. Forgot what they called that.
speed changer.
They called that something in here.
You know what it's like?
It was on the page before. Maybe 2 pages before. Maybe not at all. That shows the modes when it's operating, what should happen.
Alright, I got the belt.
Here we go. This is a belt. A belt should clear fork. Grass fork here. That seems simple enough. Goes through that, so when you pull the speed control in and out, it moves the belt for the 2 different speeds that the machine has. We'll look at that from the back in a minute. Gary, I think we're gonna have to take the fan off.
That's that I've done it.
Yeah, we'll take it off. Hang on just a second. Okay, so we're just gonna take the fan off. It uses an Allen wrench for the little set screw to take the cooling fan off. So we just loosen that, and the fan comes off.
Nice.
Okay, so now we'll be able to see where we're supposed to put the belt on.
Do you want me to go get the belt?
Yes, please.
Alright.
The new belt came from Winston Electronics in St. Louis, Missouri. Okay, we got the new belt on there. You had to put it up through the slot in the bottom of this. It's kind of difficult to film that. Or we forgot to turn the camera on.
Yeah, that's what happened.
Tie that up.
Tighten that up with the Allen wrench and put this fan back on.
Right in.
Let's see. That doesn't seem very tight. I'll get it. Thank you guys for helping with the video
No problem.
and fixing
No
the tape
problem.
machine.
We actually tried this multiple times. I hadn't realized it went that much.
Well, I just want to make sure it's tight enough, but not too tight.
Yeah, okay.
That should be fine. Okay. Okay, let me try to go in closer. Okay, as you can see, belt wraps around right here around the motor. And it goes through this. You put the belt, that side of the belt up through the little slot in the bottom, which is right down in here. And then it goes up and passes straight through, and then it goes around this big flywheel, which is the Capstan flywheel. And then we remounted the fan, so maybe it'll work.
Hopefully. Here, turn it on. Ta-da!
Luckily, this had 2 belts on it for the reels that were still
Yeah.
good, so I didn't have to buy just the capstan belts. The only thing I had to replace. Okay, Gavin, go ahead and flip up the head shield there. And I'm just hand holding the camera to try to keep it steady. Oop, microphone fell on the floor.
I'll grab that real quick.
And our capstan is turning. See that?
I don't think they heard it.
It's right there.
So that's supposed to be spinning. Okay, Gavin, do what we did last time. Go ahead and press the fast forward button. It's the yellow arrow pointing to the right. Okay, now press stop. Now press rewind. Press stop. Now press play. Okay. Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna reattach this right here.
I'm going to change the speed. Pull the speed knob out here.
Oh, okay.
Look at that. Slips from low to high speed without any problem. And back. It self-centers itself.
Cool.
It's purring like a kitten.
Sure is. This thing's great. So there we go. Sorry I missed the part with us actually putting the belt on. Okay, do one more thing before we end the video. Lift up the head shield again so we can see, and press play and record at the same time. Okay, now look over at the other side. You can see the record lights are on over here.
That's good.
Hey, it looks like we have a mostly functional Ampex PR10. It's got its case over there. Gavin, do you want to show us the case before we end the video?
This is the case. I have no clue what it's for, because I've never seen this before.
It's for the
It's
Ampex.
for this.
Yes, I know.
It goes in there. It mounts inside that case. It's a portable tape machine. Okay, Gavin, show us the case for the Ampex.
This is the case. These are meant to hold more tapes with the Ampex in it, so you can carry it with you and not have to carry the tape separately. And then in here goes the Ampex, and that's pretty much all I know about it.
Those two plastic pieces right there, the straps with the buttons on them, that's where the power cord straps in. You unplug the power cord from the machine, which plugs in right there, and is right now running over to a power strip. That goes in between those two straps. Right, Gary?
What? Yeah. I'm
All right.
tired.
Okay, Gary, you can turn it off now.
Bye, everybody. Have a good day.